Hi everyone, I'm Shirlz. Welcome to my channel, Dazzled Nails, and today we're going to be doing sweater nails with the cold weather coming up. They're fast, they're fun, you're going to love it. Okay, I'll see you there. Bye. Hello everybody, and today we are going to be creating beautiful sweater nails since it's becoming that time of year again. So let's get started. What you're going to need is you're going to need any color that you want. I chose blue for some reason. It just seemed to show up really well. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover the nail in blue, just like this. And make sure you get it all covered, just like that. Okay, now we're going to nuke it for about 30 seconds, and that should do the trick on that one. Okay, now next thing you're going to need is a thinner brush, just like something like this, so you can draw out the patterns on the nail. So what we'll do is we'll take a little bit on our palette here, just like that. And now that we have that done, we're going to go over it with matte top coat. This is Teresa. We're going to cover that. You don't want to use a gloss because it kind of takes away from the sweater effect. I mean, you can if you want, but if you want the total sweater effect, then you're going to want to go with the matte top coat. And afterwards, you know, you could try different ones, different colors, different styles, textures, things like that. Now, I did try a glitter nail and a glitter nail gel, and it did not work. It just did not work. It was a mess. So we're not going to do that. Okay, now that we've gotten that done, our top coat, our nail is ready for design. So what you want to do is just paint a straight line, just like that, right down. And then you want to come over here and just like little designs, just like this. So it's like an L with a drop down. And then you're going to make another line here. And on the sides you could just go like this, on like a little swoop on each side, like that. These are fun and easy, and they're really quick. Okay, just like that. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to take a clear acrylic powder, and we're going to cover the top of the nail with it. So just like this, very gently cover the nail. Just like that. Okay. Now, once we've done that, we're going to brush it off, all the excess off. And there you have a beautiful dazzled sweatered nail. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And you can do it in different colors as well. It seemed like I tried different colors. I tried dark brown. I tried glitter. None of that seemed to work. but when I use just basic colors, then they seem to come out really beautiful, as you can see. And so I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!